Hello, welcome to the first devlog of Farmbotany. This game I have in mind since last year. It is a farm game with guns, drones, and elves. But first I wanted to make the main concepts of the game first. I'm going to list them from most difficult to least them. There are three systems I want to add to the game that will compose the main mechanics of the game. I managed to make all of them. There's still a lot of bugs to fix, but the core of them are done. The systems are tiles, inventory, and saving. Let's start with tiles. My first theory was to make each tile its own scene. So I got to work. After some code, I finished making this system. But there was a problem. See, with a few of those scenes, the game runs fine. But if you try adding more of them, try expanding to different areas, the game starts to get really laggy. The reason behind this is that the game is running 5 if statements per time. And this number just scales when the game grows. Imagine there are 5,000 tiles in this world. 5,000 times 5 is equal to 25,000. So I just tried a different approach. Instead of making different scenes for each tile, I removed the scenes and just assigning a number to them. The number is assigned via custom resources, such I learned from making the inventory system. We'll get to that later. Then I got to coding, and surprising, it actually worked out. If you try out, you can see that the difference is night and day. This method is much faster. It uses custom resources with an array, such it doesn't need 25 if statements, it needs just a few. Getting to the next part, we will talk about how I made the inventory system. There's not much to say. I was searching how to make an inventory system. I tried a tutorial, but it did not work, so I tried another tutorial I found. It was devlog Logan's Growth 4/RPG inventory system from scratch, and it not only worked perfectly, but gave me the skills for making all of the other systems that I needed to make. The game wouldn't be like it is now if it wasn't because for this tutorial. Next, it is the saving system. Just like the tile system, I made something that I was happy with, and I already considered making a tutorial on it. For some technical explanation, we will have to wait for the future video. Such might take millions of years to come out, so no expectations. This has been the entire development of the project so far. There's not so much, but I'm happy I was able to make the core mechanics of the game. The rest is story, an interesting story. I might tell you how I got this idea and where I went because of it, but this is for another video. See you next time. Bye bye.